I need to.
No need.
This is rice.
Yeah.
哦，
衣服是掉下来。
不会掉下来吧？我看萨拉那个上面已经贴了好长时间了。
会
啊？
会
会吗？
对，我去年在那个谁家，
哎。
也是，他一会儿会掉下来。
啊。这是生米，生米还是
生米。
来你这里吗？
啊，
不来。
ये मोइला पड़ेगा.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now you this.
What is the cap?
Yeah, this is the cap. This is the Nepalese cap.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you should put this.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, I remember it's here.
Yeah, there, but
I remember sometimes
it is like a permanent.
Ah.
So if you put here, then it will be.
We are not.
It will not fall down. You can, yeah.
From the chair.
Yeah. Okay, there is a photo also, video also.
Nó còn cắt phải hay.
Yes. You can eat this.
Okay.
可以吃了，可以看地。
它是非得要这么着。
You have to do no? Yeah. Yes. You can put your Zomara, it is called Zomara.
It's on the left.
Yeah. Right? No problem.
Left or right side the same?
Lại.
Sorry. Yeah. This side.
Right.
Yes, this side.
What? Different?
I
You guys missed it.
You forgot. Okay.
Kita lihat lagi tadi.
And cake and everything. Okay, I will take photo from your also, your mobile also.
The light is from here.
It's no problem. Your camera is very good.
Okay.
这小女生。
This is a traditional Nepalese cap.
你自己多拍两张吧，当成你美好的回忆。
对，是的。
Bye.
Okay,
Now
sorry.
you look like Nepalese.
Yeah.
I will take photos. Mami, ये बात नहीं.
Let's move this.
Thank you. Hey, how's up? Yes.
Okay.
Your is very good. This is the chicken.
You need to find this. What is this?
This is what?
Mr. Lennon, you must find what is this? What specific? This one. This is the chicken.
This is pork.
No, you find what is that?
Hello.
His name is Bote.
You also have tikka.
Yeah. This is also family member.
啊对，然后过几天那个贴下的时候，这狗还要再发完。
哦。Little brother.
I like that.
很好吃，这不错。他妈说原来说是他妈那个做那什么烤的，一般的已经吃了嘛，他已经吃了2只鸡了。那东西就是，跟是我们的经济概念。这人家就是要你过来嘛。你吃的话，那个是什么？那是叫奶什么东西是吧？对吧？这是白奶哪个？这个
这叫什么来着？不然有点像麦片。
对，我也感觉像麦片。后面他们跟我说是叫你吃过当地的没？搞那个酸奶，给它拌着，还水果。你这吃过没？
我想不起来，真的没有。
我他妈小的店里那时候他妈拉着我吃，我操！
我跟你说，我在那个家里面就是在那里头吃过他那个做的鱼和鸡肉，特别好。
他鸡肉我吃过，而且那天吃的时候又拉着我吃，还跟我说，你在那里要是不想那个什么吃的，你给我打电话到我这儿来吃，让他做给你吃。
是。
啊，又没女的，有女的你说去那还行。哎，能给狗喂食吗？我感觉他妈的。这边能够给狗喂食吗？哎，还挺可爱的。
啊，妈，3球，先。
3球有没有？
这里打肉。
晚上吃饱了。对啊，肉。哎，OK，这条。来。
Yes.
Yes, I take it. I take it.
这是大米，hungry.
No hungry.
Not hungry?
You want to sit here?
You want to sit here?
Yeah. But I don't want to allow you.
好，3起来吃吧。
No, no.
OK，3起。
You can eat however you like.
Yeah, OK.
Yeah, you knew what is the chicken?
Maybe it's meat chicken.
What kind of meat?
I think it's pork. No?
No.
You can this.
Yeah, this.
Masih
No, no. This for you.
OK。这瓜还是太甜，还是那种话题。
What it? I will tell you later.
No,
Yes.
I think yes.
Yeah.
Not pork. 有点太适合了。对。
What is this? This.
I can do for the dog.
Bone. Yeah, you can give.
那我跟别好，别好。别好，走。
对吧？
开始跑了，开始跑了。站起来，拿手。
It's a red one.
前期。
What is this? You know?
This is some fruit or root.
Is it medicine?
Like a medicine, yes.
前期。I know this.
11.
Yeah, but it tastes like meat.
And meat also. This one. What is this?
Oh.
这是 medicine，你大概是 medicine。
Medicine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
哎，你养老比如说这个，你看。
啊？
有人养老吧？
这种。
那养老怎么说？
我不知道。
What is made with the? 你看。
Practice.
No, practice 的那个牙刷。
It can brush.
Toothpaste. No.
Oh, can I have this one needed?
You can mix the
Yeah.
to brush teeth.
Yeah, this is medicine. 你看看。
Medicine?
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell you later. And this is not a pork. This is the skin of buffalo.
Ah.
Skin of buffalo.
Oh, good.
cooking style is different.
啊，顺势磨皮，
Your friend is at home.
Your friend. 啊，对吧？
I say your friend is at home. You need to work for the diabetes, right? You work for the
No,
diabetes.
it's Mr. Go's star.
Oh,
看啊，
那我还是搞错了，我一直老把那个人混错了。
在那个不是，是吧？
哦
对呀，
啊，这两天
Yes.
找人跟做完的对。
And this is a bok meat we call in Nepali sukuti. Sukuti.
Sukuti.
Yes.
Buffalo.
Oh, yeah, buffalo sukuti.
啊，
First we buy the meat and we make it dry, and after that we cook.
哦，明白。腊肉，对吧？腊，相当于腊牛肉。
大牛肉，
嗯，
我那刚吃了一下。
先买来风干，然后再做什么？
哦，
He got very hard to identify.
对吧？你说是比基尼？
What?
一个比基尼？
No, not just not. Yeah.
啊，你看，
这个可以啊，兄弟。
Have to taste this also. This is a special Nevari dish. A Nevari chocolate, like a chocolate.
That's all right.
Yes, but not a chocolate. But it's like we. This is a traditional kind of chocolate.
啊，
Hello。
Do some.
那狗刚刚站在我们的骨头上看着我，它两只脚站起来，然后高手，这是挺新的。
理解一下。
哦。How many days from?
Around मैं कति हो 4 दिन. होइन कि अब आजबाट 4 दिनसम्म होइन टिका लाउनु 4 days.
4 days.
Yeah.
Only your mother and your father together go.
We together go.
Yeah.
We visit father's relative and mother's relative.
啊，
他妈妈那边，他爸爸那边。
对，这个挺气的。
4 days.
They have taken with time after they were after come your home. We had taken time with you.
Dinner time?
Take the time.
This time
Means I think your
return time?
yeah after we come your house.
Yeah.
Because which time we come your house. You're like
Yeah, you can come maybe the day after tomorrow.
stay down tomorrow.
Rice, you want more rice? This is called beaten rice.
Yeah.
It's Lenin. This is beaten rice.
这个炸串挺好吃的，我看着这他妈做出来挺好吃的。
那个
这个
This
看起
is
来
like a bread.
yeah，
This is like a Nepalese bread.
made by rice，
Yeah.
好吃的，
你可以吃点分嘛，
这一点，可以。
给我也分一点点，我一两我不
This
要
is
多，
called shell
我
roti.
不要多，我不要多。看，
This also. This is a Nepalese like a sweet.
made by rice，哦，好，
No. Other ingredients are not rice like it's from wheat flour and little bit rice, sugar and ghee. You know ghee?
Ghee.
Like butter. Butter. Butter.
大点，
黄油吗？
有点应该是大点黄油吗？就有点像黄油之类的那种油一点。
Chicken leg. You like chicken leg? Chicken leg.
Chicken leg， OK，
Chicken leg.
看这样，
Yeah, it's organic chicken leg.
可以的，还有阿拉特米，
More. We eat more. Today is Dashain.
What do you prepare for the dessert? After you have a vacation.
After Dashain, after Dashain, what?
No, you do that.
Only cleaning house, room arrangement. Because I don't have wife and I have to help mother.
Yeah, okay, we have. Oh, you can start.
You have your own choice.
My mother is already sorting a girl for me,
Wow, okay.
but I don't want to marry now.
Yeah, but it's time.
Yeah.
Did your mother worry about it? Did your mother worry about it?
Yes.
I think your mother one
Yeah. One I get married.
Yeah, he wanted to take care of your baby.
Yeah, grandson.
And,
Oh, this is mutton. Yeah. Okay. You have to finish all, okay?
oh, perfect. Okay.
No, you must finish. Because today is Dashain and we don't waste food.
Yeah.
We eat.
这里边这个咖喱，找这个饭。
Okay, don't sigh, okay, Mr. Alex. Eat as much as you can. More than you need.
Yeah.
Don't get sigh, okay? What did you have done, Sarah? You have done your mother.
来来吃这个饼干，
Come on, Lima.
这个饼干吃吗
Still, that is chili.
？OK。
It's especially for you.
哦。我这咬的两边腮帮子有点咬不
Yeah,
动。
some meat.
没教练。
You add some meat and
谁是吧？这个饼还是你谁还喜欢吃？我分享一下，我现在有一个饼，现在吃的有点多。
这些吃完就行。
我这已经吃不完了。Alright. I can do more. This is too.
don't worry. Once you are tired of this side, then you should start this side.
Meat? Yeah. But for me it's okay. I sometimes eat no meat. Sometimes I like this dry food.
Yeah. You should complete.
Yeah. Okay, I try. Yeah.
You must. Compulsory. This is Dashain.
Yeah. And every time for me, I just not eating too much. But today I will try my best. Okay.
You like meat.
I like meat.
Yeah.
Why you know I like meat?
Because in office department room also you eat every time meat.
Just sometimes chicken with that with me for the smoking. 吃着呢？
啊，
吃着呢？
差不多了。Could I share some meat to
Yes, yes.
what's the name?
Vote.
What?
Vote.
Forty.
Vote.
Forty or forty?
Vote.
Forty.
Vote. You chicken leg.
比较。
हम ये ले केक खाने को तो दिन बने फिर भाड़ा
You got it?
you can sit
No problem.
yeah you can eat
I can eat.
First taking time.
mami beri kain soal dah kita nanti hari ini
Mana?
hampir kan
Coba deh yang ada.
ini soal dah
Sampai yang begini, begini saja bro.
PowerPoint then.
Kita nama tadi itu.
ada kali kali dah
这狗的还是你的。
好，谢谢。你有
bukan
OK。
准备
OK。
nanti kita lihat tahu
アジは何？アジ。あ、アジ。I see, I see. 俺の日本語がもう、チキンがとても美味しいです。And, yeah. チキン、ラフ、and
mutton
mutton